You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, it is very confusing because there are two different pronunciations that are correct in English and they are kind of the opposite to one another. So let's go through. Venipuncture. Venipuncture. This is usually the British English pronunciation, while the American English pronunciation in the United States, it's more often pronounced as venipuncture. So venipuncture or venipuncture. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.